Mental health resources are still available for people following the Old West End Festival shooting. Lucas County's Mental Health and Recovery Services Board has been hosting sessions all week and says turnout is better than expected. Megan Hartnett joins us in studio. Megan, the board says there is a possibility for even more sessions.
Kaylee, board members say once they got word of Saturday's shooting, they knew they needed to do something, but they were amazed at how many people stopped by, even if they weren't planning it. Nothing is official yet, but they say they may even continue hosting support sessions next week because of how receptive community members have been.
We were following the story like everybody else. Some of our coworkers were there at the event, so we knew that, there was a lot of trauma and we needed to do something.
In the days following the shooting at the Old West End Festival, the Lucas County Mental Health Recovery and Services Board has set up shop at the Kent Branch Library, ready to help anyone looking for support.
I think the accessibility, that they can just walk into the library and ask to talk to us. The library has been very helpful in giving us a private room if someone needs to kind of talk more in depth about what happened. And I think it's just easier to approach us than maybe go into a mental health center.
Whether you are a victim, were at the festival, or have just been learning about it through social media, mental health board members say there are resources for you. There are trained counselors you can call or go visit in person.
And even people I think that didn't plan to come out and talk to us, when they walk through and see us sitting here, they come up and ask, what we're doing, and it starts conversations.
This week's conversations have been about what people saw, how they're feeling, and just trying to figure out what's next.
How do we help the young people that are struggling and getting pulled down the wrong path? And, so I think there's a lot of community that are coming together to try to figure out what the solution is.
The board will be at the Kent Branch Library tomorrow between noon and 2 p.m. And again, there may be more sessions next week, but they are still working to finalize those details. If you are looking for help, you can also call 988 and talk to a trained counselor. Reporting in studio, Megan Hartnett, WTOL 11.